So let's look at gamma in relation to a real life option contract. So again, we have my Questrade brokerage here, and please check description for my affiliate link. You can get free trades and other incentives by signing up using the affiliate link. It's just in the description box below. Moving on to what gamma is. Please watch my last video for an explanation of it, and now we're actually going to show you how it works in action. So if you look at this option contract, I've picked AMC Entertainment because it was our ticker of the week in the last video. So AMC right now is trading around $10. And if you look at this option contract, it has a strike price of 10.5. It's expiring on April 23rd. So that's the expiry. It's a call option. And this is the bid and ask for it. So the premium is 0.1 and between 0.1 and 0.11. So for this, you will get this option contract roughly for $10. And the delta of this is 0.55, or just to make it easier, we'll say it's 50% because this option is at the money. At the money options have a 50% delta because they have a 50-50 chance of ending in the money or out of the money. Now, gamma is the rate of change of delta. So in this case, just to make it easier, gamma is 0.0869. We'll just say that gamma is 0.08 or 8%. So let's apply that. So let's say that AMC moves to $11. So the underlying asset has moved by 1 point. So the call option contract, the rate of change of delta in it, the call option contract would move up by 0.5. So the price will become 0.15. And the delta for the new option would be 0.55 plus 0.08, which is 0.63. Or now the option has a 63% chance of ending in the money. That makes sense because this is the expiry is 10.5 and AMC has already moved to 11, so it's already in the money. So there's a higher chance of it ending in the money and not outside of the money. So just to summarize, delta here is 55%, gamma was 8%, AMC moved up from $10 to $11. The delta, the rate of change in delta was 8%, so it'd be 55 plus 8 is 63. So the new option contract's delta is 63%. If you watch the video on what a gamma is, I explain it the other way around, but in this case you can easily see a new delta is 63, previous delta was 55. What's the rate of change? 8. 8 is your gamma, or 0.08. And like with everything, the multiplier is 100. If you're confused, that's why I'm talking about 55 and 8, because you multiply everything by 100. As you can see, we're moving to understanding option contracts now. We have explained to you what a bid and ask is. This is the high, open, and we're gonna do a video where once we have explained everything on here, we'll walk you through everything that is listed in an option contract. So it becomes very, very easy for you to do option trading.